5 animals have blood of strange colors?
Red is the hallmark of many things, from country flags to the color of human blood. In general, most vertebrate animals have scarlet red blood in their veins. The blood gets its distinctive color from the pigment hemoglobin, which is the protein that helps our blood distribute oxygen. Hemoglobin is partly made of iron atoms, which are the reason blood gives a red color. Since the number of red blood cells far exceeds the number of any other component in human blood such as platelets and white blood cells, the human blood itself appears red. However, although many living creatures have red blood, other creatures have blood in other strange colors, from blue to green and sometimes purple. In this article, we highlight a number of living things that have blood of strange colors.
1.
Tropical reptiles and lizards, green blood. New Guinea is home to many species of lizards and tropical reptiles with lemon-green blood. Because of this, the tongues, muscles, and bones of these lizards all appear in different shades of green. Like humans, these organisms have red blood cells rich in hemoglobin, but they do not last forever, and when they break down, a compound called biliverdin is synthesized, which is a green pigment product. Vertebrates filter these compounds out of their circulation for harmful effects. Whereas, lizards have very high levels of biliverdin in their veins, which exceeds hemoglobin, making their blood appear green.
2.
Ice crocodile fish, transparent blood. Crocodile fish live in ocean waters around Antarctica, where they live in environmental conditions that can kill any other vertebrate, in a water temperature below the freezing point of fresh water. In extremely cold waters, blood that is high in hemoglobin can become dangerously thick. For this reason, the organisms that live in such conditions do not have red blood cells, such as the ice crocodile fish, which do not have any percentage of red blood cells, which makes their blood completely transparent and colorless.
3.
Octopus and horseshoe crab, blue blood. Many spiky creatures use a protein to replace hemoglobin called hemocyanin. Both proteins are able to transport oxygen. Unlike hemoglobin, hemocyanin binds to copper and not iron, changing the color of blood to blue instead of red.
4.
Beetles, blood yellow in color. Small insects, including beetles, have yellow blood. The reason they have this distinctive color is that most insects process oxygen in a way that differs from humans and vertebrate creatures. Where the insects use a substance called hemolymph to carry oxygen in place of hemoglobin, which is a yellow substance.
5.
Earthworms. It is true that the red color is the natural color of the blood of worms, flies, fleas, larvae, etc., but the characteristic that makes it different from the color of human blood is that hemoglobin does not exist inside red blood cells, but dissolves in body fluids.